Okay. All right. Keep forgetting that I don't have my old setup anymore. All right. So we got 3 minutes until the open. 3 minutes until the open. We can possibly see this range. I mean, I don't see why we shouldn't. I mean, we did trade back up into this range. It does appear that the Bulls at least have it, at least for right now. I mean, but I wouldn't count the Bears out just yet. I would not count them out just yet. I mean, they've shown that yeah, they wasn't playing around last night because we definitely had a big move down last night. We definitely had this big move down last night. And it looks like, I mean, there was some profit taking obviously here at these lows. So we definitely have to be mindful and we definitely have to pay attention to our longs. But I think the Bulls got it. I think we should at least see, if not a retest of VWAP, possibly a retest of this range at 195, 180-ish. We should see that at least. We should see that. Yeah, like 170, 160, 170-ish. Yeah, we should see that, man. I don't see why not. But we got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. All right. That's funny. Let's get everything set up. Hmm. Well, I know it's gonna be something. All right, you're off to the races, baby. We're off to the races. All right, so I think I should be good on this ES trade. I should be good. I should be good on this ES trade. Hey, good morning, Cian. Look, good morning. I should be good on this ES trade. Actually, yeah, man, I try to be, man. I try to be. Always looking for the best areas to get in. You know what? I'm gonna take the crap. I gotta remember this is the ES. I'm gonna take the one on the ES. I'm taking the ES trade if they'll give it to me again. I'm pretty sure he'll come back. Because I keep forgetting that was actually a really good area to short. I just looked at it. It was like, man, that's the ES. You gotta remember that crap. You gotta remember that this is the ES because this is where the bears are trying to come in right here at that breaker structure to the downside. So we'll see if we'll get that tap. We'll probably get that love tap, unless they just completely drop it right here. I mean, the Bulls are going to definitely have to hold it right here. They're going to have to hold that. And I might be getting out too early on this ES trade, but you know what? That's fine with me. That's fine. That's fine because he really can't play with the ES. He really can't because she plays with your emotions in different ways in the Nasdaq. She doesn't do the overshooting and the stuff like that. She doesn't do that. But what she will do is if you don't get out at a good area, she will come back down to your break even. She will break your heart by doing that. And it looks like she's about to show me. She's about to break my heart. Well, I should have took it. I should have took that. I keep I keep making the same mistake with the ES. It's just my Nasdaq tendencies. Keep making that same mistake with her. So we'll see. Keep making that same mistake with her. All right, but with the Nasdaq, hmm, we'll see. We'll see about this one. I mean, the bulls are finding support here at this range. They are finding support at this range. The bulls definitely are going to have to hold it. I mean, anything past this range, I mean, we could see price come back and possibly double bottom this low. We could see that. Yeah, but I should have took that. I should have took that damn thing on the ES. I don't know what the hell I was thinking, man. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I should have just took that on the ES. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Maybe it's trying to go for VWAP, possibly. I mean, let me really look at this on the ES because I mean it could get up to 88, but I'm just gonna take it at 84. I'm up 14 points, and it's so from all right, so from 84 because I mean every point on the ES matters. Every single point on the ES matters. This is not the Nasdaq where it gives you room for error. All right, so far it moved up 22 points, and that's kind of that's kind of it for the ES. I might have to take this. We'll see. Hopefully, what I want is I kind of want I kind of want this target. I ain't gonna lie. I kind of want this target, but um, shit. Kind of want that target. Come on, baby. Come on. Wow. You see it touch. Thank you. All right. We got that target, baby. We got it. We got it. We got it. Okay. We got it. And watch it shoot up to right here where my original target was. I mean, I swear. Watch. But I mean, it's whatever. What's done is done. What's done is done. Okay. So now all we have is these targets to get. And I kind of want to showcase the power of this strategy. I mean, I can't talk about this strategy enough. I love that, I actually took the time to really do the math on this. And this is going to be my strategy moving forward. And again, this strategy was, what's the word I'm looking for? Inspired by that swing account that I have. Last night, as you know, if you joined me last night, I took a long in this area. My original thesis was that we could possibly see 325 last night because the bulls were holding this area right here, and it appeared at the time that they was going to hold. and that overnight we could possibly see a move up to 325, and that's where the bears would come in and we would see that move down. But now that we got this move down into an area of support, the question is, will this area now act as resistance, which it already has? It already has. Or will the bulls be able to trade past it and it turns back into support? That's the question. So we're going to have to really keep our eyes now on this range. My bias, or at least my opinion, the first time when price trades back into this range right here, we will see a rejection. I mean, it's highly likely to see a rejection when price gets into this range. It's highly likely. The question is, will this be a reversal? That's going to be the question. Will the bears that are resting in this area be enough to get a full rotation down? And that's the question that has to be answered before we talk about anything else. Let me see real quick on the ES. Because the ES is still going. I mean, yeah, the ES is kind of still being held off right here. So the Nasdaq really knows how to break my heart. Just hit those targets, boo. But last night I lost this trade. This was a $350 loss. On the ES, I lost that initial trade. I think I readjusted my stop to lose only $200. And then I had an additional entry down here at 81, thinking that, this was an area of support right here. And the bulls were going to come in and we was going to at least get possibly a retest of this range right here. I lost that trade too. So I lost 3 trades last night. But here's the power of the strategy. This one trade brought me back down to 400. Well, actually, I'm actually up. Well, I was up $300, but I guess since the Nasdaq dropped, I'm now only up $100. But I am now positive. I lost 3 trades, and one trade brought me back to positive. Like, that's just the power of this strategy. 3 losses. One trade brought me back. One. That's why, in my opinion, trading like this is the best way to trade. There's so much room for error. You know that we're going to have bad days as traders. We know that the market is not going to do what we want it to do or what we think is going to do. And we don't ever want to be in a situation where one trade will completely wipe out months of work. Months of work. I'm always creeping on Wall Street bets. Wall Street bets. And it's crazy how some of those guys says like they're up. They lost their whole portfolio because they went tilt. I really couldn't imagine losing 6 figures because I went tilt. Over time, I've lost 6 figures, of course. But like in one trade because you refused to get out, you was over leveraged, you got in at the wrong spot, you hope for it to come back, and all your money is gone. Crazy. The entire portfolio is gone. So obviously, I don't ever want to be in a situation like that. So I guess the tortoise, the story of the tortoise and the hare, or the rabbit, all it did was run as fast as it could, and it needed to take breaks every so often. And the turtle, it steadily moved forward, and it got to the finish line first. That story does ring true in reality because consistent work does pay the bills. So now my only concern about this trade, at least for the Nasdaq, is that it does look like the bulls are still holding this range right here. And I could possibly still get my targets hit. My only concern is that they don't need to drop this thing down in order to get back up into this range. That would be my only concern in this trade. What I will do though, what I will do is actually just kind of readjust my stop here. I guess I really don't need to go negative because it does appear that the bulls are going to fail right here though, unfortunately for this position. So I will keep my stop in profit, and we're just going to have to look for the new opportunity here if it comes to that, if I get stopped out. And that's something else that I have to, that I will be working on is that emotional management. As a trader, I mean, kind of seeing this, I mean, it is heartbreaking. I'm not going to lie. It does hurt my feelings if, I was in profit up here. I'm getting stopped out 10 points away from my break even to have it, literally 6 points away from my first target before it dropped. That is heartbreaking, but I mean, I guess it's all a part of the game. And it sucks when that happens. But I refuse to go tilt and I refuse to over leverage to try to get money that I feel like I lost. I've lost too many accounts that way, and I can always make the money back. So, or I can always find a new position to make the money back. So, yeah, it looks like I'm going to probably get stopped out of this one, but we'll see. Nah, it's not really that worth it. It's not worth it like that. Okay, so let's look for the next trade, man. Let's look for the next trade instead of worrying about this one. We'll just look for the next one. Look for the next one. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. I guess the Nasdaq showed me mercy today. I guess she showed me mercy. Okay. But we're still gonna look for the next trade because it does still appear that the market is going down. I guess we'll see what happens. So if we can break out of this range and we can find support above it, I'm actually willing to actually add to the position. 3 additional contracts to the position if we can find support above the range. Oh man. Mm. Okay, so we can find support. I'm willing to add right here. The Nasdaq definitely shows me some mercy. That was some mercy right there. She could have stopped me out and did this shit. She could have stopped me out and did that. She could have stopped me out and did that. Oh man, she was merciful today. She was definitely merciful. Um, but like I said, I don't think I think we could see a rejection in this range though. So I'm gonna readjust some of my targets down here. Okay. Because now it does appear that the Nasdaq has made a strong low underneath this candle right here. So if price were to trade underneath this low, then I know that we have some more room for downside. We can possibly retest back up into this range right here if they trade underneath this low. So come on, Bulls, fight, 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 fight. Yeah, I would hope not. Ugh. As long as price can stay in this range, the bulls are good. As long as they can stay in this range, it's good. A break below this range would mean that then they're trying to come back up into this range. They are trying to come back up into this range. A break below this one. So it does appear that they are protecting this low. They're protecting this low right now, so far. We see a break right here, then we're definitely going into this range right here. That's my cruiser. We're definitely going to this range. Okay. Got stopped out of that one. Like I said, man, it's hard breaking that top, man. I was 6 points or 6 points away from getting my target hit, and I got stopped out. I wouldn't be surprised. I really wouldn't even be surprised if the Nasdaq did that. I wouldn't be surprised. But even if she does do it, like I said, I'm not going to revenge trade. I'm not going to chase after her. But I really wouldn't be surprised. I mean, it's kind of the stupid shit that she does, man. It's what she do. All right, so we got the 9 o'clock algo in 5 minutes. I think we got CBI this week, if I'm not mistaken. Hmm. Okay. So we do have um, a bunch of Fed speakers this today for whatever reason. Wow. Okay. Yeah, we got CPI on Thursday. Wow. Yeah, so we got definitely an interesting week. We got CPI on Thursday, and we have PPI on Friday. That's interesting. And I know she was gonna do that stupid shit, man. I know she was gonna do that stupid shit, dude. Mm, okay. Mhm. Okay. Like I said, that's frustrating. That's definitely frustrating, man. All right. Mm. Yeah, I don't know about this trade right here. That looks like a short. That definitely looks like a short. But for whatever reason, the Bulls are holding this area up. They're holding it. Yeah. Like I said, I wouldn't long this, but this looks like that's a short, at least for a double bottom right here. Mm, 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 Depending on what this candle do, I might reduce my risk on this one, but this looks like this possibly wants to at least double bottom in this range. We could see some bulls come in at 68, 70. We could see that. Mm. Damn it. Damn. Damn it. Damn it. Yeah, I was about to say that it looks like the bulls are gonna come in. All right, man. All right. Okay. Yeah. That looks like the bulls are gonna come into this. Just gonna mm, mm. Man, I ain't gonna lie, that looks bullish, dude. That looks bullish. It looks like the bulls are holding this. Damn it. Yeah, it looks like the bulls are about to regain control of this. All right. Okay. Mm. 85, 82. Man. All right. All right. All right. What I'm looking for on the ES, I really want to see what they do at VWAP. I really want to see what they do at VWAP. If I see a push, I'm just going to just close it. If not, then I might will just add to this because the bulls are going to have to get over this high. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Freaking Nasdaq, dude. Okay, that's probably it right there. Okay. Okay. Look at the higher time frame real quick just to make sure I'm not tripping. Okay. Yeah, I think the writing's on the wall. Okay. I think the writing's on the wall with this one. What I'm really trying to do is get break even so I can kind of get out of this one. I really don't know how to feel about this one. I don't have the best entry on this. I had to scale into this to protect myself. It does appear that the Bears are the ones in control, but the Bulls they're coming back. So I don't really know how to feel about this one. Because on this trade right here, the bulls can definitely come back here. Bulls can definitely try to come back in here. But if we can get a break below this range, then I should be good in this position. I should be good in this short. I should be good. If they can break through it. Of course. I mean, I guess at that point, I guess it would be my fault, right? At that point, it would be my fault. Of course. Yeah, the bulls are gonna buy on this one. I kind of figured that the bulls were gonna come back in this at this range. Kind of figured as such. I guess what will really break my heart on this position right here. Like I said, I really don't know how to feel on this one. I got stopped out of this one. I got stopped out of this trade. I mean, it literally bounced right at where I had my stop. And if it does kind of go back up into this range, yeah, that would break my heart. My heart would be broken on that one. I'm trying not to be biased because now I want this market to go short now since it stopped me out from going long. But like I said, the bulls have been holding. And if the Bears don't take control, we already know what the Bulls have been doing to the Bears all week. And that's just my only concern with this short position is that if they don't hurry up and move this market down, then the market momentum will flip. All the buy stops above this range will get used. So the Bears, they're going to have to hurry up and knock this down. And then they really need to get above this low. They really needed to get below 2085. The Bears have to knock it past down there. The Bulls might come back up and use this area as resistance, and the Bears need to push. If we don't see that, then price is in a prime area to go long. This is prime real estate for Bulls right here. Prime. I guess I could do that, but I don't want to. Look at the yeah. Okay. I mean, on the hourly chart, that does kind of look Like, I mean, that's kind of undecided, but it looks more bullish than bearish to me. The same thing for the ES chart. Yeah, that looks bullish as hell, man. That looks bullish. Hmm. But the bears are definitely trying. Yeah, man. I can't sit here and ignore this. Hmm. Yeah, that's bullish. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah. I kind of figured. Yeah, I kind of figured, dude. Kind of figured. I kind of figured, man. I kind of figured. At this point, the only thing I got to grasp on is hope. At this point, I mean, she gave me break even. I mean, like I said, can't be mad at myself if I get stopped out. I mean, she gave me break even. But you know how us stubborn bears get. Damn. Damn. Okay. Oof. Damn. Damn. I mean, I see it. The only thing I can hold on to is hope at this point. I see it though. Damn. Mm, mm, okay. But where are you targeting gain weight? This shit better jump, man. Nah, she better dump. She better dump. God, man. She better dump. I swear, if you don't dump Nasdaq, I won't trade you until tomorrow. I won't look at you for the rest of the day. I'm gonna give you the silent treatment. She better freaking dump, and she better not hit my damn target. But yeah, Ganway, yeah, I was originally in this long. I was. I got stopped out. She was 6 points away from my target, and she stopped me out. She came back and stopped me out. You gotta love that shit, man. You gotta love it. Yeah. All right. All right, NQ. All right. I think I just got stopped out of the ES trade. Yeah, I got stopped out. All right. So I'm down 1400. Not a good day. Obviously, today was just not one of those days for me. I don't know what happened. I really don't know what the hell happened because I think she just hit my previous target. Yeah, she did. She hit my previous target. If I was selling this, I don't know what the hell happened. I really can't even explain it. I can't explain it. What I did do though is I guess I should have just kept my stop all the way down here. If I kept it all the way down here, I wouldn't have ever gotten stopped out in the first place. Um, got faked out, went short. Mm. All right. Yeah, I managed to do it. I was somehow in profit and managed to be down. That is just crazy. That's crazy, man. All right. But those are the Mm. Yeah. Nasdaq, I'm not trading you for the rest of the day. That was just dirty. That was dirty, Nasdaq. That was so unnecessary and dirty. That was just so unnecessary and dirty. So I would have got that second, my first and second target would have just gotten hit. And my add-ons would have just got hit too. Nasdaq, you're just so dirty. That was dirty. That was dirty, dude. God damn, that was dirty. All right. So if I was still in this trade, I would have only 2 runners left. I mean, I didn't think that the sellers was going to stay. I would just I don't know. I was giving the sellers at least because I mean they had the momentum. They had the momentum. It was highly likely that they was going to retest this range. And I figured that, well, I mean, if they're going to make a retest of this range, ain't no point coming back into break even and going into negative. But I don't know how many times I have to learn that lesson to not move my stop up. Just take the loss. Because 9 times out of 10, 9 times out of 10 is self-sabotage. Because I mean, normally I wouldn't even move my stop at all. So I mean, it's crazy that I moved my stop up for this one. But on the ES trade, I didn't even move my stop at all. So, yeah, that sucks. Even though it gave me break even. I mean, that's still going long though. 85, 95. Could this go up to 95? Let's see what it does here, man. Let's see what it does. I mean, if this breaks down, I'm just going to just, I'm like, dude, I don't know what market god I angered today, but I guess all I can do is my best, right? Let me see. So they got a bunch of orders at 79. I mean, honestly, if price comes back all the way down here, that means it's going to break through. I mean, in order for this to continue to go up higher, it has to find support here. You know what? Bump it. Bump it. Mm. You know what? Let me get out of that, man. All right. I mean, 330 or something like that, probably. Game weight said 500. We going to 500? Damn, dude, that's not even. Mm. Man, fucking NQ, dude. Freaking NQ. Nah, man. That's interesting. The NQ is pushing up, but the looks like the ES is trying to go down. Fucking ES. All right. You said that somebody's accumulating. So all the way down to 5,700? All the way down here? At 5,700? Oh, and NQ. Oh. Oh, this I was like, damn, that's crazy. So you said the 570s? Nah, NQ, you broke my heart today. I don't even want to look at her. She broke my heart today. I can't believe she did that to me. I named our first child after her, and she did that stupid shit to me. Fuck. I can't believe she did that. Mm. And the ES is not moving at all, dude. That has me concerned for this. Oh. All right, I get what you're saying, game weight. So you saying all the way up here to 500? I mean, we would have to ask ourselves: is Price trying to retest this high? And you said 700, huh? I mean, obviously 700 would be. Yeah, 700. I can see why 700. I mean, you got this low right here, right here at 700. I mean, that is a long way to go, though. That is a journey. And we all know that the Nasdaq can do it. That's like that stupid shit. Mm. I mean, obviously that's bullish as hell. I don't think that we'll see any bears anytime soon, but god damn, this thing is just taking its time moving. Freaking Nasdaq. All right, so I mean, the bulls are still grinding this thing up. I mean, we're still grinding. Book map is looking like, yeah. I mean, dude, the Bears are really trying to sell it here. You can see that they're, I mean, shoot, they are accumulating orders in this area. My concern is that the Bears are going to try here. The Bears are going to really try to knock this thing down. And the ES, I mean, the ES is still, I can actually kind of reduce my risk here. I mean, if the Bulls can find support here, they can find support. This might be a good opportunity to add to this position. Because it's obvious that they're finding support here. So you think the sellers are gone? I mean, dude, I agree with you. It's not like I don't. It's not like I don't, because obviously if you look at the hourly chart, I mean, the hourly chart kind of tells you that the market is now in an upward rotation now. Especially on the Nasdaq. And that's why I can't completely give my heart to her. Is what she just did to me just now. Man, I would have been paid like, oh my God. I mean, that's what hurts the most. I'm not gonna lie. That's what hurts the most. That's what hurts the most. I mean, why did she do that? Like, why did she do that? Why the hell did she have to do all this? Why couldn't she hit my target first and then do all that crap? Like, why she couldn't do that? She had to hurt me. She had to. I didn't do anything to her. All of a sudden now, because I'm trading the ES now, she wants to do me like that. She wants to do me like that. You said, get your money back from that other bitch. Get your money back from that other bitch. You want to trade her so damn bad. And you keep treating me like that. I shall leave you altogether. I'll be back though, but I'm gonna leave. That's funny. Oh, okay. I mean, Mm, okay. Yeah. So I mean, obviously, it can't be that. Hmm. What in the actual fuck? Hmm. Okay. All right. So I've angered a god today. I realized that at 6:25. I realized that I've angered somebody today. 7:75. They're like ICT over here. They hunting my stops. They hunting my stops. They hunting my stops. They don't want to see me win. They hunting my stops. Hmm. He said close and re-enter long. Honestly, this is gonna be my last trade, man. I mean, I really don't even know what the hell is going on today. I'm still stuck on how the hell was I positive and ended up negative. Like, what the hell happened? That's my thing right now. Like, what the hell happened? You said that's a great area of support. Yeah, I mean, I was gonna well, no, I was not gonna add. I was not gonna add. I mean, I'm already 20 contracts in. I'm not gonna add. But yes, you're right. I mean, that's what I'm watching. That's why my stop is literally underneath this range. If price goes underneath this range, and I know that the market is not planning on going up, that is going down. But I mean, the bears are going to have to do a lot of work with this candle if they're going to be successful. That's a Nasdaq, my bad. The bears going to have to do a lot of work with that candle. I mean, they already tried right here. They tried with this candle, this hourly candle, to sell it, but they weren't successful. That is a bullish hourly candle, even though the bears are trying to sell it. They're trying to sell it as well. So, um, that's why I have my stop literally right underneath that range. I'll take the drawdown, but if you see a break below this range, then they're going to retest this right here, and then I'm just going to be done for the day because it just seems like I'm getting stopped out of winning trades. It looks like the bulls want to reclaim the market, but it just seems like they're struggling for whatever reason. It's like they're struggling. The Nasdaq and the ES are doing two different things. It looks like the ES wants to rotate lower. The Nasdaq wants to go higher. It's like, hmm, nice. Seriously? Seriously, dude? Dude, what is going on, dude? What the hell is going on, man? What the hell is going on? You know what? I'll just wait, man. Like that is just absolutely crazy. That is just freaking crazy, dude. All right, let me look at this. Let me look at this. Man, shit. No, I don't even know, man. Price action is so crappy right now. I don't even know. It's hard to really determine who has the momentum right now. And for real, for real. Mm. No wonder why. Damn, dude, is it damn? It's like that for real? Damn. I'm not gonna lie, that should be a crime right there. That should be a crime. $133. I think the Bulls got this. If the Bears were serious, they would have been knocked this damn thing down. If they were serious. I think the Bulls got it. Them failing to knock this thing down tells me that right now that it's highly likely that the Bulls are going to be successful. Only thing is will I survive it? That's the only thing. Because the Bulls are definitely holding up this range right here on the ES, and they damn sure holding up this range on the Nasdaq. So they're holding these areas, and kind of going back to what I said earlier in the stream. Before, my assumption was that if price gets back up into this range, that there's going to be bears here. But bears have been trying to knock price down all day, and they've been unsuccessful in doing so. They've been unsuccessful. And we know that if the bears keeps trying, I mean, the same way that the bulls are trying, I mean, obviously down here, you got all these sell stops building up. But the bulls are making higher highs, I mean, higher lows, and they're making higher highs. So it's more likely that the bears will get their liquidity ran, and they've been building. And kind of like what Game Weight said, I guess the big sellers went away because this shit ain't going down. It's not going down. And that's obviously a bullish candle right there. Let me hit this up on the swing account because I can't let this pass by. Yeah. Okay. So I mean, I'm in this long in my swing account. I'm gonna swing this. I'm also gonna swing this as well. I basically got the same entry. So I'm in on my swing account, and I'm gonna target 300. That's where I'm gonna target. So I will see. Because the Bears have not pushed this thing down. They have not pushed it down at all. So someone's about to get clapped. Are you talking about okay, so you were talking about sellers? Yeah. Yeah, I think the Bulls got this. I think the Bulls got this. Yeah, I think the Bulls got this. We got CPI on Thursday. So it's not like we have major news like Wednesday when we usually have it. We usually have it Tuesday, Wednesday. But that gives the market enough time to kind of get this liquidity above these highs to trade back up into these highs. And then come Thursday, we could see that drop on CPI. I mean, we could see a pump. Who knows? But just preparing for that big move. And the ES kind of just breaks your heart, man. Of course, I picked the days where the market is freaking trading like shit. I can't believe the market's trading like this. Okay. Because, I mean, we shouldn't be trading like this. We definitely have more than enough volume in the market right now. This is well over enough market volume. Mm. All right, yeah, like I said, if I get stopped out of this one, I'm done for the day, man. I'm done. I'm done. I lost way too much money today, unnecessarily at the. And I think I just probably got filled on that. Wow, come on, Nasdaq, you ain't got to be a bitch like that, dude. You don't gotta be like that. Okay. All right, market. It'll be kind of great if you just pick a direction to trade in. I mean, at this point, all right. Okay. All right. I mean, that's it for me today. I've lost way too much money, way more money than I've lost in a very long time. I don't know what the hell happened today. I really don't know what the hell happened. I don't know what the hell happened. So close one. Nah, I got stopped out of this one, and apparently looks like it's about to. I mean, I guess I'm not supposed to win today. I don't know what the hell I did, but we will get the money back. But it's just a setback that I don't particularly care for. What the hell did I do today? My God, dude. I guess I'm ICT today. They hunting my stops. They hunting my stops. They hunting my stops. All right. Can't trade. Hunting my stops. All right. So let me just look at this one more time. Let me just look at it one more time, man. I'll just take the small loss, I guess. I'm going to close this position for $100 loss. I really don't want to deal with this. I don't want to deal with this. I really don't know where the hell I went wrong at today. I really don't. And now that I've closed it, I wonder if we're going to see that move up. But at this point, I'm kind of over today. I will be back in pre-market. We will be getting the money back, but um, mm, mm, yeah, I don't know where the hell happened. I don't know what the hell where I went wrong at today. Mm, okay, so let's just look at this. Let's look at this. Let's look at that. Because this is obviously a 974. I mean, I doubt that, dude. That's kind of crazy. That would be crazy. I doubt that. Man, if the ES pumps here, man, if she freaking pumps here, dude. If she freaking pumps here, what the hell, man? What? What? Oh, man. She better drop. Because that means the NASDAQ and the ES did that shit to me today. Oh, oh, 575. Damn. That means they both did that shit. Wow. Man, this shit better drop, dude. This thing better drop. And this thing better drop hard. But I guess I should be angry if it drops because I got stopped out of this trade right here. And that looks bullish right there. I mean, they got a low right here. Now they're finding support again in this range. Damn, dude. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, man. Oh my God. Oh man. Oh, oh my God, bro. God dang. My God. Mm, man. No, I can't do that. 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 What do you mean I don't listen to you gain weight? I went long. I mean, well, I've been long. I mean, my only thing is that it just seems like all day I just got unnecessarily stopped out, and for what? Like I would have been. It's like what's bothering me. What's bothering me is that I wasn't wrong today. I just got stopped out. Like it's the craziest thing in the world. I got stopped out. But my bias is right. So I mean, I felt like I had my stops in areas where if it went in that direction, it would invalidate my trade. But That's not what's going on right now. So I'm not gonna. I mean, I closed out of those positions out of my swing account. I mean, I'm not gonna trade that. I probably won't even trade those for the rest of this week, honestly. I realize that the Bears are failing. We're going to get a big move. We're definitely going to get a big move. I mean, that's for sure. I mean, at this point, it's kind of obvious that that's what we're going to get. I want to swing this. My only concern is that right now, price is consolidating in the middle. It's consolidating in the middle, and we can definitely see a big move up, but we can also see a bigger move down. So it doesn't seem like neither side of the market wants to take control or directional control of the market. Because I mean, it doesn't seem like, well, we don't want to go up. Because I mean, we double topped at 260. We don't want to go down for whatever reason because they're holding this range right here. And price is literally battling it out in the middle right now. Because if we take out this range, obviously we're going lower. These lows are going to be in danger. And if the market is trying to protect these lows for at least right now, then they're going to want to keep price far away from these lows because price underneath these lows, we're trading back into this range and we're going to possibly double bottom here around 870-ish. And we'll probably go down further than that. But if the market doesn't want to go up past these highs, it's really not too far for the money to go to the upside. I mean, yeah, gain weight. I mean, we could see 500, but I mean, we got that big drop at 530. I mean, we do got potential areas of resistance around 400 and 325, which honestly, I think the market is really trying to get to before we see like a move down. But I don't want to start a position in the middle of the chart. So I'm just gonna have to kind of bite the bullet on this one. And if I miss this ride, I miss this ride. Okay. All right. So I'm not gonna play this game with the Nasdaq today though. I am thinking about moving my stop up to break even +1. I am considering it, but I mean, I'm kind of invested in this trade at this point. So what I'll do is actually just, I mean, if they're not supposed to really trade past this low, they probably might come back down here to 35 for whatever reason. I mean, it would kind of suck if I close that trade out on my swing account and it does go to the upside. That would suck. You think it's about to go here? I mean, honestly, I would like to know what the hell has been holding the market up. I mean, what is the market looking for right now? I mean, I know there's going to be times where the price action is just going to completely suck, but what is it looking for right now? And where it says 700 lot seller just got clapped. You know what, man? You know what? I mean, how many times I gotta tell myself that same rule though? I mean, how many times do I have to tell myself that same rule? When I was just thinking to myself, I mean, it just seems like every time I try to get cute, I mean, it always seemed to backfire for some freaking reason. I really don't know why. Every time I try to get freaking cute with this damn thing, it always backfires for whatever reason. I mean, if I left my stop back here, I mean, not only I would have got all my targets hit. I still would have my two runners. I would have felt good. I would have been green. But I tried to be cute, move my stop up because I told myself, well, you don't want to go to negative profits, blah blah blah. And this is why I get stubborn about moving my stops and my targets in the first place because it's like, well, if I was just patient, then I would have eventually got what I wanted. And it always seems to come down to that more often than not. Is if you're patient, then you'll get what you want in the markets. Mm, oh my God, yes. Oh my fucking God, yes. Oh my God. Oh, oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. I just looked at the ES chart on my other screen and I was like, wow. ES, you did not have to do me like that. You did not have to do me like that, ES. That was complete dirtiness. Oh man. Okay. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Yeah, yeah, I'm definitely have to go to the gym and run this off. Definitely have to come to the gym and run it off. Oh, you taking along right there on ES? I mean, that is a bullish candle. I mean, I wouldn't blame you for doing that. That's definitely a bullish candle. This right here, oh crap. That's bullish. And you got a candle opening right at the upper part of that body, right there. That would be considered bullish. That's why I was like, well, damn. All right. The markets don't want to see me win today. I get it. They don't want to see me win today. So you've been winning too much. You need to remember how a loss feels, I guess. Because like I said, man, I'm definitely going to write in my journal after we get off the stream. I do want to revenge trade. I do want to over leverage and try to get my money back somehow. Because I felt like I didn't lose my money because I was wrong. I lost my money because I got stopped out. And again, getting stopped out was my fault. I should have just kept my stop back where it was at. I mean, my stop never even got touched. I mean, price never came nowhere near my stop. And I think that's what kind of hurts the most because it never came near my stop. I got cute. I moved it up because I felt, well, I mean, I was up so much, having it come back all the way to break even. And I mean, I guess it would be stupid. I mean, it is stupid. I mean, well, not necessarily stupid, but having price come all the way back to your break even is definitely frustrating. But it didn't come back to my break even. It came nowhere near my break even, dude. Or actually, yeah, it did, because I think my break even was at 99. I think my break even was at 99. I think I was only in drawdown 10 points. And then it hit my target. It hit my scaling targets. And the same thing happened on the ES. And it looks like it's about to hit my target, which is frustrating because I thought I had my stop in a good area. I didn't expect for the bulls to break through this range just to tap me out, or the bears. Didn't expect that to happen, but it did. I mean, right now we do have all the EMAs. I mean, they're still flat. All the EMAs are flat, but you can kind of see that they are beginning to slope up. And it does appear that the bulls are trying to find support. Our boy Gain Weight said that he went long here. I'll just wait until 2 o'clock this afternoon, or I'm not sorry, 1:30. 1 to 1:30. Look back at the charts and see if I can find me a decent entry somewhere, because that's usually when the market wants to set itself up. But all right, guys. I'll come back in the pre-market. We'll get this money back. This is just a setback. Unfortunately, that's just what it is right now. It's a setback. What I will say is that I didn't revenge trade. So that just shows that, I guess that's growth. I didn't revenge trade. I do feel that the market did take something from me because it did. And I don't like any bit of it at all. But this is a part of the game, and I don't want to take away all the hard work that we've done here and blow this account. It's just a setback. That's it. You know what, Ganway? That was, I think I even gave it a little bit more. That was either a 7 or a 9 point stop that I used. That's a lot for for the ES. 7 to 9 points is a lot. I gave that thing all I was going to give. I gave it all I was going to give. What I should have did was I shouldn't have moved my stop on the Nasdaq. I know better now. I know better than to be cute with the Nasdaq now. I mean, obviously I had this rule for a reason. It's just that what I didn't want As you try to get better, you try to tweak things and be like, well, there's no reason for me to lose the whole thing. I might as well just move my stop up just in case. And I got cute and I lost all this work. So, I mean, this is like last week I was being cute and the same thing happened. So, moving forward, I'm just going to try my best to just let the trade play out and accept whatever happens. Even if I'm up 100 points, it misses my target by 3 points, it comes back to break even. Like, I mean, and you say it out loud like that, it's crazy. But in this situation, if I did exactly that, I would have got my targets hit. Because I think the first time around, uh, the Nasdaq missed my target by 6 points. I think 6 or 3 points. I don't recall. Where did we get that first drop? Because my first target was at 69. Yeah, so it missed my target by literally 6 points, and then we got this drop, and then it turned around and it hit not only my original target, but in my scalings as well. So being cute cost me all this profit, and I ended up being down. And then on the ES, I mean, I gave it 7. I think I gave it 9 points. I gave this trade 9 points to be successful. So I mean, I'll take this loss. I mean, unfortunately, the same thing kind of happened where it kind of stopped me out. Like it literally stopped me out and kind of bounced. So that kind of hurt my feelings. I did take a $100 loss on my swing account because I didn't really want to deal with it. Prices kind of trading in the middle. I don't know if it wants to kind of get a retest of this bottom first before we see a move up, but I'm not willing to take that risk. I'm not willing to take it. So I'm just going to accept the $100 loss. And because I know I'm just going to get it back. I know I'm going to get it back. So I'm just going to accept that loss. And I probably won't trade my swing account this week unless I see like a really good setup. Probably won't trade it. But my feelings would get hurt if 5,800 gets hit after it stopped me out and then it hits my damn target, dude. um, mm, yeah. So you're talking about yours? I mean, it's a good setup on the ES. I'm kind of done with the ES today. I mean, that is a good setup if it works. Because I mean, we got this range. We got price consolidating in a range. We got the bears failing to take price down. I mean, a good entry would be here at the top of this range. I mean, you would have to accept this potential drawdown right here. But if the bulls can find support at the top of this range, we could see a price move back up into this range right here. We could see that. Mm, okay. All right. All right, guys. That's it for me. Not one of my best days. It's not one of my best days, obviously. But like I said, I'll come back in the pre-market. We'll get this money back. We'll get right back on track. With that said, peace out.